Lesson 1.6 is on pages 19 through 23. In this lesson, we're going to work on adjusting row height and column width, inserting and deleting multiple columns or rows, inserting and deleting cells, and freezing the worksheet. To begin, you'll go to Schoology and download the 1.6 source document. Then go ahead and open it up and save it as 1.6 Chicago Cubs. We are then going to start everything on step 6. So here we want to add a column between C and D. So we're going to put our cursor over column D, and when it changes to a solid arrow that is pointing down, go ahead and click to select the entire column. Then we will right click and choose Insert. In step 7, in cell D4, type age. Step 8, starting in cell D5 and going down through D29, you will type those ages. So I will have you look at that on page 20 and type in the ages in step 8. Step 9, we're going to add a row between rows 7 and 8. So we want to have our cursor over row 8. When it turns to a solid arrow, right click, or left click I mean, and select the entire row, then right click and insert. Step 9C, we're going to type in the information for a new player. His name is Kyle Hendricks, number 28. He is age 26. His position is pitcher. He was born in Newport Beach, California. Step 10, we're going to delete a row. So go to row 2. Left click so the entire row is selected, then right click to delete. Step 11, we're going to delete a column. So over column B, left click to select it all, then right click and go to delete. Step 12, we're going to delete a cell. So click on A25, right click and choose delete. And then in your choices, you want to say select shift cells up and click OK. Next, click in cell B4. Step 14, to freeze everything, we're going to go to our View tab and then the Window group. Step 14A, select Freeze Panes. Step 14B, using the down arrow, scroll past row 29. And then you can just see how it will keep everything in place for you. Then if you need to, go ahead and adjust the widths of column B and C so that everything fits in there nicely. Then go ahead and save and turn in on Schoology.